So in this last lesson on the Grail language, we will see how you can calculate difference between dates. So OpenRefine can do some basic computation between numbers and dates. And in our case, we will calculate how long separate two dates and return the result either in seconds, minutes, days, weeks, months, or years. So the expression is the following: diff, then pass as first argument your first date, then your second argument your second date, and then what granularity you wish in as a result. And we will do the following example using the building permits project. So I will go and open my building permits project. And what we will look at is how long does the project took to complete. So I have my application date, which is already in date format. That's great. I will turn my completed date to date format 2. And I will create a new column based on this column. So as said, the expression is diff then my current date on the completed with the date from the application date field, and I want the result in month. So basically how long it took, how many months it took for the project to complete. And I will name this project duration. So Refine automatically created a new column with all the project duration. You can also calculate the date difference with today, and to do that you use a now expression. So now let's look in weeks for how long those projects have been completed. So we create a new column based on this column and use the following expression: diff compare to now, my value from the completed date in weeks. So now we know the first project has been now completed for 58 weeks, second one for 40 weeks, the ninth one for 33 weeks. Refine also enable you to do quick computation on numbers. So now if I look at my completed date and create a transform, if I want to add numbers to it, I can just ask Refine to add 10. So here we notice I don't pass my parameter as a string, so I don't put quote around it. So Refine understand it's not a string, it's a number, and it's able to do my value plus 10. Same way I can add 10, I can do my value minus 10, or I can multiply it by 10. So Refine lets you do some very basic computation and calculate new value either for date or based on numbers.